The next central bank that we're going to be looking at is the Bank of Japan. And the Bank of Japan is again responsible for setting monetary policy for Japan, and the headquarters of the bank is based in Tokyo. The board of the BoJ is comprised of a governor. The current governor is presently Kuroda. There's two deputy governors, and there's six other members who make decisions on the interest rates. Now, Japan itself is a very export dependent economy, and that means that it actively seeks to maintain and keep a weaker currency because this helps its export market, keeps it competitive. And the Bank of Japan will work hard to prevent the strength of the yen. And the central bank has, even on occasions, artificially entered the market to weaken its own currency by selling the yen against the US dollar and the euro. This, of course, would result in dollar yen and euro yen appreciation. So it's worth having that in mind. The central bank wants to achieve price stability, and it becomes concerned when the market becomes too volatile as well. It likes to see a stable price. And probably the key issue that's been facing the Bank of Japan in recent years is trying to curb its deflationary economy as it works to increase inflation and achieve its 2% inflation target rate. It's something that's been struggling with for a number of years. So here's the Bank of Japan website, and when you're wanting to see some of the latest decisions, all you need to do is go to monetary policy, and then you have a number of different options here. Outline of monetary policy, what it is, the meetings, releases, measures. If you just go to the monetary policy meetings, you can see there the meetings are listed by their dates. You can see it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, around 8 times a year. You've got the monetary policy meeting minutes, and what you do is you have a look. So that's the last monetary policy meeting, and you see here you've got a summary of opinions. So if you click on these, you get to see for yourself their statement on monetary policy, what they're doing with their asset purchases. They've been reducing those recently, risks that they've got. It's just very useful to find out all the information, and you can get the summary of opinions from the MP meeting as well. Just summarizes it. Particularly the Bank of Japan's meetings are not really big documents, so it's quite easy to read and have a look at. But that gives you an insight where you can get a whole host of the releases and the policy meetings, so you can see exactly what the central bank is focused upon.